Hello, welcome back to my channel. Bagi kalian yang belum tahu, nama aku Rena dan hobi aku adalah DIY. Dan aku suka banget utak-utik barang-barang bekas atau barang-barang yang kelihatan murah. Terus aku langsung rubah ke barang-barang yang menurut aku kelihatan lebih cute dan kelihatan lebih mahal. Dan kalau kalian nyimak video aku, pasti kalian tahu kalau 80% dari barang-barang yang ada di rumahku adalah barang-barang bekas. Jadi contohnya itu adalah si pot-pot itu, terus ada kaleng-kaleng itu, kaleng yang kotak-kotak itu, semuanya adalah barang DIY. Dan untuk video kali ini aku akan bahas tutorial untuk bikin si toples kotak-kotak itu dari kaleng twister bekas. Jadi kalau kalian pengen tahu tutorialnya, kita langsung ke videonya.
When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out. But all these moments keep reminding me of just how you can have the highs without the letdowns. I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better if I take my time, just a second then I'll be alright. I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling. About that feeling, there's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling, yeah. Outside the rain's done dancing with the storm clouds, but inside there's not a dry eye in this whole house. And it ain't sadness why these tears keep falling down now. I know I overcomplicate, I underestimate, but I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling. Yeah. There's something about that feeling. 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 You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope that you should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely